Welcome back to Dude We Can Fix It. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your fuel injector electrical connectors on your GM truck. Check it out. The connector looks like this here. This guy, right? What you want is some pliers, like some needle nose like this. All right, we're gonna come in here, we're gonna grab this thing. You may have to rotate it a little bit to grab both sides. You can rotate that fuel injector a little bit. You see this, all right? Grabbing it by the sides near the top. Squeeze in. Just wiggle and pull. Boom. Now, I have had these off here recently, so they came off a little easy. If it doesn't come off that easy, continue to squeeze and pull and squeeze and pull, and it will come off. Once that's out of the way, that's most of the battle. All you need to do, push in on these center two tabs, squeeze, and pull it off. These center two tabs, see, they push in. See that? So when you push in here, it causes the tab here to push out and unlock. See that? See how much it moves? So when you push that in, you can pull it out. So once again, we have this. When you go to reconnect it, just push that on to the connector and then put this back on over it until it goes all the way down and clicks. Boom. Like that. All right, so here we are. We got this thing up and loose. In theory, it'll work just like this too, but it's much harder to actually do, so I like removing this clip completely. But push it back on, first click, and then you push this down. There we go. Should be nice and flush across the top, and should be touching the black tab at the bottom. So I'll show you on another one here. We got our connector. Click it in, got our tab, set it on, push it down. Boom. That's it. See, flush on the top. Good to go, not coming off. That's how you disconnect and reconnect your fuel injector electrical connectors on your GM truck. If this video was useful to you, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and tune in for more Dude We Can Fix It videos.